we got the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery bag. And I took off my Halloween costume because the feathers were driving us nuts. Yeah, we have feathers everywhere. First up is the bag itself. We chose Bloodlust, a purple shade. There was also a red bag called Red Rum. And apparently each bag had some different shades for the new and exclusive items. I like the looks of this thing. It's cute. Excuse me, Camel. I'm just going to plop this up here. It has little bat wings. The logo's on the front as usual. Has little bat wings on each side. Inside it is plenty roomy, and there is a small zippered pouch. And we noticed that on the outside over here, there is a place to clip something on. And on the front, there is a little bit of a place to slide something, maybe your phone. Inside there's another place to clip something on. It did not come with a strap, but goodness knows everyone has enough bag straps hanging around. I'm wondering if they are thinking this could also double as a handbag or a crossbody bag. Yeah, it's certainly big enough to hold all that you would need for a night out. There was an advertisement for his new product line, the Coffee Collection. We got some stickers. Oh, how fun. That one. And that one. And that one. And this one. Ooh, spider webs. And that one. Hey, it's cute. This next item is just too stinking cute. It's coming in. Oh, a vat is flying in. A bat on a cleaver. And yes, it's a mirror. Oh, I can see myself. Yes, you can. You've been playing with it. Not the largest mirror. I mean, I'm sitting here going, well, I could, look in an eyeball, or as another channel, Alexandria Ryan Beauty says, it's a tooth checking mirror. That's about its size. We think it's cute. What do you think? Let us know. We have Firehouse Pole. This is a mini velour liquid lip, and this is a better shot of it. And we have another one. This is called Spooky Glamour. That's what it looks like, and that is what I am wearing today. And I will say it dries very matte. So I gave it a little lip gloss just for a little added oomph. I thought it was fun. To be exact, I think it kind of matches my shirt. Oh yeah, it kind of does. And from what we understand, the liquid lippies are limited edition, and there are different shades in each bag. We have an eye gloss in Prom Night. Oh, wow, that's gonna be a fun one to play with. Yeah, it is. Camel and I both agree that we like the looks of this one. This is a eye gloss. This is a velour lip liner in the shade Mannequin. And that's a better look at the shade. And as usual, the top and the decoration is cute. Too stinking cute. This is a Magic Star setting powder in Champagne Pink. Nope. Try again. Oh, pink cashmere. Sorry about that. It looks like it really is pink, and I did take a little sniff at it, and I don't think I'm allergic to this. I don't want to really start using it and find out I'm allergic, but I might pop some into another container, try it. If I'm allergic, then I can pass this on to someone else. But a pink setting powder, too stinking cute. In Drug Lord, we have the Beach Proof Eyeliner. And I'm not much of an eyeliner person per the recommendations of my eye doctor, but sometimes I play around a little bit, and this one is apparently white. Now, I know people like to put white eyeliner in their waterline. No, not happening. Nope. Sorry, wrong number, wrong idea. Nope, can't do that one. Nope, too chicken over here. However, playing around with this could be kind of fun. It is a felt tip. So, I don't know, maybe playing around a little bit in the crease or trying to draw a wing, But I'm gonna play around with this one. Hey, it could be fun. And last but not least is a new highlighter blush combo, Skin Frost Mulberry Motive. This looks somewhat familiar to one that we had before that I don't know what happened to it. I may have given it away because it looked a little bit dark for my preference. This one looks a little bit lighter, so we're going to keep it and play with it. I think my top three are the bag itself, the lip gloss, and the lippy. What did you see that you liked? Let us know. Did you get this? I want to know all the details. Inquiring Camels want to know. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what I always like to do. This was Jeffree Star's Halloween mystery bag. The cost was $110. The value was at least $210. I think we met that value. Limited edition makeup bag. And as near as we can tell, it's not one of the guaranteed 9 items in the bag. That's nice. It was 9 items of makeup and accessories, 3 exclusive limited edition, and that would be the highlighter blush combination and the 2 liquid velour lips. I'm tickled with this. I think it's a fun one. I didn't think he was going to put something out because it's already halfway through October. I didn't think we were going to get anything this year. We were surprised when it came out, and to be exact, I didn't have to use my credit card because Anne beat me to it in the shopping department. Yeah, I hopped on that one before she had a chance. Thanks for taking the time to watch us wander through the Jeffree Star products. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff, because Advent season is coming and it's gonna be a doozy. She ain't kidding. Hope to see you soon.